Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission by promoting other companies' products or services. It's a popular way to generate income online. You earn a commission by promoting other companies' products or services. This means you don't have to create your own products or handle customer service. Imagine recommending a friend's restaurant. You tell your friends about the great food and excellent service. When someone dines there based on your suggestion, the restaurant owner thanks you with a free meal. This is similar to how affiliate marketing works. In the digital world, you don't need to personally know the companies. You can partner with businesses from all over the globe. As an affiliate marketer, you partner with businesses and promote their offerings through unique affiliate links. These links are special URLs that track your referrals. These links track your referrals and ensure you get credit for the sales you generate. The tracking system is crucial for accurate commission payments. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. This can be a percentage of the sale or a fixed amount. This model is a win-win situation for both parties. Businesses get more customers, and affiliates earn money for their marketing efforts. Businesses expand their reach and generate sales, while affiliates earn passive income by recommending products they believe in. It's a mutually beneficial relationship. Affiliate marketing provides a great opportunity to earn money online. It allows you to work on your own terms and schedule. It offers flexibility and the potential to work from anywhere with an internet connection. You can work from home, a cafe, or even while traveling. Whether you're a blogger, social media enthusiast, or someone looking to monetize your online presence, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative venture. It allows you to turn your passion into profit. Choosing the right niche is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. It sets the foundation for your entire strategy. Your niche represents your area of focus, aligning with your interests, expertise, and target audience. This alignment ensures that you can create content that is both engaging and authentic. Start by brainstorming topics you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Think about what excites you and what you can talk about endlessly. Are you a fitness enthusiast, a tech geek, or a fashion lover? Identifying your passion will help you stay motivated and consistent. Consider the audience you want to reach and the products they might be interested in. Understanding your audience's needs and preferences is key to selecting the right niche. Once you have a niche, research potential products or services to promote. Look for products that solve problems or fulfill desires within your niche. Look for products with high demand and good commission rates. High demand indicates a strong market, while good commission rates ensure profitability. Explore affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and Share a Sale to find suitable programs. These platforms offer a wide range of products and services to choose from. Remember to select products that align with your niche and resonate with your target audience. This alignment will make your marketing efforts more effective. Promoting products you believe in will make your marketing efforts more genuine and effective. Authenticity builds trust with your audience, leading to higher conversion rates and long-term success. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. It's the foundation upon which successful campaigns are built. Creating high-quality, valuable content is essential for attracting and engaging your audience. This means investing time and effort into your work. Your content should educate, entertain, or solve a problem for your readers. Think about what they need and how you can provide it. Provide insightful product reviews, informative blog posts, engaging videos, or captivating social media updates. Each piece should offer something unique. Focus on providing value to your audience. This builds a loyal following who trust your recommendations. Don't just hard sell products. Instead, offer helpful advice, share personal experiences, and create a connection with your audience. Highlight the benefits of the products you promote. Show how they can improve your audience's lives. By creating compelling and informative content, you'll establish credibility. This is crucial for long-term success. Build trust with your audience by being consistent and genuine in your communications. This will increase the likelihood of conversions, turning your audience into loyal customers.